Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about blockchain introduction, its benefits, key features, limitations, and its history. Coming to blockchain introduction, blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored across a network of computers. It means that across a network of computers, blockchain allows to store the data in a secure and transparent way. I'll tell you with a beautiful example. Let us consider Google Docs. You all might have an idea on Google Docs. In Google Docs, if you share the document with five of your friends and if you make a single update on it, and all the other three friends of you gets the same update. In the same way, in the blockchain also, if a single node makes an update, the update will be updated in all the other nodes also. Coming to key features, blockchain has four key features: decentralization, immutability, transparency, and security. Decentralization. Blockchain is called as decentralized network because blockchain doesn't have any central authority. Blockchain doesn't have any central authority. So for that reason, we call blockchain as decentralized one. Immutable. We call it as immutable because if any change or edit or update is done, if once any change or any update is done, it can't be undone. That's why it is called as immutable. Coming to the third feature, it is transparent. As I said before, if any change is done by a single person, it can be viewed by all the others. This means that it is very transparent in such a way that if one makes a change, it is that transparent to show it to all the other nodes. That's why it is called as transparent. And the fourth key feature is security. We call blockchain transactions as secure transactions because it is encrypted. Every transaction in blockchain is encrypted. That's why we call blockchain transactions or secure transactions. Now let us go into the history of blockchain. Let us move into the history of blockchain. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. History of blockchain. Coming to history, in 1991, in 1991, just the introduction of the concept was done. Just the introduction of blockchain concept was introduced by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta. Sorry. In 1991, the concept was introduced, and in 2018, Bitcoin's white paper was introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto. And in 2009, a beautiful feature of blockchain called Bitcoin has come into life in 2009. In 2015, we have emergence of Ethereum and smart contracts in blockchain in 2019. So when they ask about any history of blockchain, we can simply write all these 4 points and we can leave them. Like we need not to introduce all what's Bitcoin is, what blockchain emergence of Ethereum is, and what smart contract is. We can directly write these 4 points and we can leave it. Now let us go into benefits of blockchain. What are the benefits of blockchain? Benefits of blockchain are security, transparency, efficiency, and traceability. As I said before, blockchain has security because of its transactions. Its transactions are encrypted. And they are verified across its network. Its network is what? Decentralized network, right? I said you before. Its network is decentralized network. So blockchain networks transactions are always encrypted and they're always verified across decentralized network. And the second benefit is transparency. Transparency means like every participant, every node in the blockchain has the access to the same data. Like every node has access to the similar data, and this helps blockchain in increasing the trust. This helps blockchain in increasing the trust. And the third feature is efficiency. Why do we call blockchain has efficiency? Because it doesn't have no intermediaries, because its nodes are directly connected to each other. That's why it has no intermediaries, which results in reducing the cost and time. This helps in reducing the cost and time. And one of the last feature is traceability. And one of the most important feature is traceability. Like this is ideal for this feature is completely ideal for industries. Like this feature is mostly ideal for industries like logistics and pharmaceuticals. This feature is mostly ideal for pharmaceuticals and logistics. Let us discuss about the limitations of blockchain. Coming to the limitations of blockchain, we have four limitations: scalability, energy consumption, complexity, and regularity challenges. Scalability issues. Why do blockchain has scalability issues? Because increase, increase in the number of transactions. More the transactions, more the number of transactions, slower the network. More the number of transactions, slower the network. And the second limitation is energy consumptions. We have a concept called POW, which is called as proof of work. We have a concept called proof of work in blockchain. Like when mining in proof of work is done in blockchain, it results in consuming of lot of electricity. So as it consumes lot of electricity, it is one of the disadvantage. That's why we call energy consumption is one of the disadvantage of blockchain. And the third one is complexity. Like we call it as complex one because it always requires technical expertise. It requires technical expertise for what? It requires technical expertise to implement and maintain. That's why we call blockchain requires technical expertise, and it is complex. And the last one is regularity challenges. Like governments are still figuring out on how to regulate blockchain. On how to regulate blockchain. Yeah. It was not regulated yet, but the governments are still figuring out on how to regulate blockchain. So these are the limitations of blockchain. We have discussed about the introduction, the limitations, the benefits, the key features, and the next video will be going into further. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.